Xmas is you.
Rudolph, how you do that? Tell me how you do that. Oh, I know how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. Tell me how you fly so high. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky.
They make us wear these gloves. It's so funny.
Yeah.
And he's on plate number 3. By the way, Rose is not supposed to be eating sugar.
Sugar free. He'll be proud of me. Your dad will be proud of me. Sugar free.
What about all that? The donuts are sugar free?
I'm not eating them.
Oh,
I'm eating
okay.
this ice cream. So.
Oh, okay. I ate too much food. I feel sick. Let's go to Dunkin'. So, we are currently on our way to, you guessed it, Dunkin', because I need myself a decaf coffee so I can pretend to do some work as I do every single day. Okay.
Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. Tell me how you fly so high. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky.
Hi, can I get a decaf coffee with a little bit of almond milk, hot? And can I also get medium chai latte, hot, with almond milk?
A medium hot chai latte with almond milk. Alright.
Yep, and that's it. Thank you.
I just picked up 9 birds. What I'm gonna do with that?
My camera always wants to focus on the steering wheel and I just want to murder it.
Murder it.
Remember when we got like the cranberry refresher? Sick.
You got the cranberry refresher by yourself, goddammit.
Blueberry iced matcha latte. That is probably fantastic.
I don't think you're gonna do this to yourself.
So, I need to change my order. The DDTs.
The bus it.
Hi. Thanks.
I thought you said, how you doing, sir? I'm like, no way she's a sir, bro. But I refrained myself.
Well, I do have this. Thank you. I have this fresh smock on.
Ooh, smock.
Thank you. Got my coffee. Headed back. Editing's done for today.
Excuse me, madam.
Oh, I look good.
Ooh, looking lovely. I've been taking videos of you all day.
For what?
You look so lovely. And I took a picture of my new screenshot. I mean, my new background. When you look lovely, I have to tell you, you look amazing.
Tip for everyone. Make sure you're marrying someone who's obsessed with you, because then you always have at least one fan.
Well played, Ashley. I gotta learn to do the same. If anybody's obsessed with me, let me know below.
Off-camera conversation.
I felt like the camera should have. Oh, fuck.
Are you okay?
No, babe. I'm actually dizzy. I'm going to hold it right here.
Okay.
But it looks like I'm just being a gentleman. No. Oh my God, he's so cute. He's talking to her, holding her shoulder, holding her waist. Yeah. Oh, the camera's on.
I really want to check you.
Please don't hit, babe. I'm off. My balance is off. My eye is bad. I'm holding hot coffee.
Do you have the house keys?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. I was like, I don't remember having.
We gotta get inside and sit down. When you're marrying a 90-year-old man.
And now I'm just online Googling, panicking, trying to figure out how I can reinstall. Okay guys, I have been in this little beanbag chair for way too long today. I did not expect to be on my computer at all. Actually, Rose is editing my vlog for tomorrow because he wanted to direct, film, edit all the things for, I think it's Vlogmas Day 11.
Basically, I'm the best vlogger editor ever.
He clearly thinks so. He thinks he can do it better than me, so he wanted to prove it by doing it. So he's actually editing my vlog today. So I was like, okay, I can just relax, but not really. So that means I have a free day almost, or should have. And so I'm going to start working on my wedding dress again. It's the first time I'm going to be working on it since I've been in Florida. And so I pretty much just have to pull out my suitcase and find all the things that have to do with my wedding dress. I currently have over here, sorry about the light, but over here I have my new wedding dress fabric. I have the wedding dresses right here. I say dresses because there's two. One is just in case I run out of fabric, and the other one is my mom's dress. And that's actually my mom's mother of the bride dress that I have to alter. But we're definitely gonna finish the wedding dress. Here is actually the calendar that is kind of terrifying. So I have to X out today, and Rose has an appointment in 3 days. So I currently have the rest of today, and I think I have 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's it. 4 days to finish my wedding dress, and I haven't even started it. So let's get to it. The Chronicles of Slowly working on my wedding dress has continued.
I am addicted. It's latching onto my mind. I cannot fix it. You're wasting my time. I'm running in circles. My thoughts are no crime. Be honest with me. Can't take no lies.
Lights. Hang on, we're gonna get away from there. Okay, so the Chronicles of Slowly working on my wedding dress is going to continue today. There's going to be no change in pace because I have been searching. I am sweating. I am dying. I have searched everywhere in this apartment and car for, I don't know why, is the soundtrack to these vlogs just Rose's laughter? Because I don't know why he's laughing. But what I was saying is there is no scissors in this apartment. And I had a really, really nice case of sewing shears here. So don't know what happened to that. Unless maybe, don't tell Rose, but what if I left it at my parents' house? That's the only thing I can think because we've looked everywhere. And I did deep clean this like the inside of the apartment a couple days ago, so, and we also cleared out our second car, so I know it's not there. So anyways, we're gonna do everything, we as in me, but you're gonna join, kind of. Everything that doesn't involve cutting, which sadly is not very much at all. Honestly, I really might need to go to Walmart. But that means the only thing I can do today is add notches to the pattern pieces I've already made. I've cut them all out. I brought them all here to Florida, and they just don't all have notches. Some of them do, some of them don't. But I can't even actually fully put the notches in because that requires scissors. But at least I can draw where they're gonna go. So really I can do nothing, basically. Yeah. I'm coming for you, man.
Please. Please don't ever sound like that again.
Okay, bud. We got this, boy. We got this. Oh, we got this. Okay.
What's that voice?
He's the boss of a lover. You feel that? Rose,
What's up?
you feel that?
Shut up, sir. You don't gotta sound like a WrestleMania fucking. You feel that? Like, what is that voice, Teresa?
That's the voice of a lover.
Ew, don't love me.
I'm not gonna put that in the vlog.
Please put it in the vlog.
Just listen to the video and then I write down 3 things I'm grateful for the day, and I try to make them different every day. That's what the challenge is anyways, to make sure they're different every day. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward and simple, and some of the videos are really short. Some are a little longer, but some, like this one from yesterday, is 6 minutes. I think the one the day before might have been only like 2 minutes, so it's really not that big of a commitment.
Today, keeping it safe, keeping it simple. Blueberries, mangoes, just to get a little thickness. Bam! Hold up. Where's the label? Bam! Creamy peanut butter. Might add a little bit more things to it. Hint of cinnamon, you never know. All I really want for Christmas is you.
We got our 2 leftover Dunkin' cups.
Guys, I was sabotaged.
Why?
Teresa took out half my peanut butter.
What do you mean?
I don't know, I gotta blame somebody. A healthier daily, you know.
It's very light.
It's light, yeah, it's an accent of flavor. It's a hint of flavor.
Somehow it really, both flavors like canceled out each other and tastes like nothing.
I gotta put my eye drops in the bar.
Okay, this is key, being able to bring it. Okay, everyone's gonna be jealous because we got smoothies.
And they think it's Dunkin', so you know. Double the jealousy.
Double jealous. It's gonna be TMI. Too much. But within 2 sips of the smoothie that Rose concocted, he was running to the bathroom. We are now headed to a holiday light show with his family. And I am terrified.
Why?
Also, we are both the same type of people. So we're both chugging these smoothies. It's like neither of us is giving up on the smoothie.
No.
But we're very uncomfortable.
Yeah, this might be, if you have a little backup problem or you're trying to get rid of some weight, this might be the smoothie for you. Turn left.
Yeah, it's not a good situation.
Singing for the holiday, the happy holiday. Singing for the holiday. Singing for the holiday. The happy holiday. Have a happy holiday. Singing for the sinners and the hard luck winners, long time losers, career boozers. Singing for the ones that got away. Singing like I'm praying for an act of God, a revelation. Singing for my savior, my slayer. Singing for humanity and the animal kingdom. And the animal kingdom. Singing for the sinners and the long distance swimmers. Must get lonely for astronauts in space, especially around the holidays. Singing for my dinner, clinking my tin, gonna get me through the winter. Share the cup and pass the mug around, gonna find some truth on this sacred ground. Singing for the holiday, the happy holiday. Singing for the holiday. Singing for the holiday, the happy holiday. Have a happy holiday.
I feel like no one needs to see me pack anymore because that's all I've been doing lately. Hey guys, so we just got back from the holiday light show drive-through thingy. Got these cool little glasses, so every light that I see has like these little teddy bears that it shows on it. I guess you can probably get these glasses to show anything. So I wonder if the other glasses, like you guys had blue glasses, maybe it shows something besides teddy bears.
No, it was teddy bears.
It was? Oh, okay.
I think it was teddy bears.
I'm just gonna use, since I did all that work, I'm gonna try out using my tote bag as a lunchbox. As if I've never done it before. I definitely have, and I always end up going back to my regular lunch bag. But I'm gonna try it out. Sometimes I just like mixing it up. No, yeah, there you go. See, it kind of looks like a teddy bear. But just imagine it even more amplified. So definitely recommend you put on your Christmas playlist when you go through. That was probably the only thing. We didn't think to do that right away because I was kind of distracted with driving.
I would never think of that.
Really? Anyways, it was fun. It was a good way down to the night. I got my little bobbly headband on.
Cute.
For Christmas. And I don't know why, I've just been loving this giant orange corduroy shirt. So that's a vibe. But I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for tuning into this vlog and to watching it to this point. I can't believe you're still here if you are. If you are still here, please go ahead, like this video. Please, please, just like it. Or dislike it, I don't care, but do something. And then comment down below so I know which ones of you dislike the video. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I don't know why Rose is laughing. What the heck? Why is he laughing? Nothing. It's not funny. Please. And of course, if you're still here, please check out these videos over here because I swear they are so much better than the video you are currently watching. Bye guys.